Hello everyone, welcome to another FABFITFUN unboxing. This right here is the brand new fall box, fall 2021 box. I have once again partnered with FABFITFUN for this video. But that said, all of the opinions expressed in this video are 100% my own. And as I do every season, I'm going to open up this box on camera and give you my first impressions of the products I received. And I'm also going to tell you a little bit about FABFITFUN and some of the changes that they've made. As always, I'm going to start by explaining, for those of you that don't know, what FABFITFUN is. Well, it is a seasonal subscription box filled with products that are either related to fashion or lifestyle. You will receive full-size skincare and makeup items. I have discovered so many fantastic products in all of those categories from my FABFITFUN box. They're products and sometimes brands that I have never tried before, might never have tried. I just love receiving this box every season. It's like a gift to myself and a surprise because I always forget what I chose for my customization. And I'm going to talk about customization in a moment, but before I get to that, I do want to mention that each seasonal box is $49.99, but if you use my code RISALOVES that I will put up on the screen, you will receive $10 off your first box. You just need to go to FABFITFUN.com, choose whether or not you want to be a seasonal member or an annual member. You will be asked a couple of questions about what types of products you'd like to receive. And then when you check out, you use my code. And as I said, you will receive $10 off your first seasonal box. And you can also sign up as, I think I just said this, an annual member. And annual members can customize their entire box. And all current and new seasonal members can customize 4 products in their box. And depending on your customization, each box has up to a $300 value. So the first thing in my box is from a brand called the Two Bandits, and this is a tiered catch-all tray. So as you can see, you just slide it around and it's got 3 different trays with a little bit of a felt, I guess, is this felt? bottom, and I am definitely going to be using this. This is one of those things where, you know, I said in the beginning, I've discovered products that I might never have tried before, but once I get them, I don't know how I ever lived without them. Not that this is like some sort of life-changing thing, but what I'm trying to say is that I need this. I have needed something like this for a while because I have other trays around my house, not my house, but like in my bedroom and in my bathroom, but I take off my rings and just different jewelry and I tend to just put them on the tray and they sort of get lost because the tray is so big and I don't know why. I just seem to misplace jewelry a lot and just other little things like hair clips and such. Like this hair clip was just sitting right here on the table. So this is perfect. For at the end of the day, I'm just gonna take these things off and put it on this catch-all tray. So, yay. Next up is the Purlisse Pumpkin+Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I have very oily skin and very large pores, so I love trying masks, especially charcoal masks, because they will pull out all of that, I want to say gunk, but gunk is not a very attractive word to use. There's got to be another word that I'm just not thinking of. The toxins, the dirt, the debris, the oils. So I'm really excited to try this. It says that it gently detoxifies pores, clarifies and brightens, exfoliates and purifies. And did I already say this? It's pumpkin and ginger. So let's see if this has a scent to it. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's got like little granules in it. So that's going to be doing the exfoliation. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. Every time I do one of these FABFITFUN unboxings, So often I wish that there was smell-o-vision available because, oh my gosh, ugh, it smells amazing. I'm ready for fall, even though it's not going to be fall here in Las Vegas for another, let's see, August, September, 3 months. We'll start cooling down. Up next is this Cali Cosmetics Islands of Italy Bath Gel. This is the Peach Champagne fragrance. And oh my, does this smell good. I'm not gonna lie, I don't personally take a lot of baths. I'm more of a shower person, and I suppose you could use this as a shower gel too. But what I like to do sometimes with products that come in my FabFitFun box that I don't think I personally would get a lot of use out of, I love making gifts for people. I love to either give stuff to my mom, even though she has her own FabFitFun subscription. I do love to give things away to friends and family for them to try, or as I was saying, around holiday time or for a gift, I like to put together a little basket of goodies for either a teacher or I have some help with house cleaning, so I like to give those ladies some things. So yeah, that's just another thing I really like about having this particular subscription box, because as I said at the very beginning, you get full-size products. You're not giving away little samples if you choose to give something away. All right, up next is this BLAQ battery-powered toothbrush. This was part of my customization. I chose this because I wanted to get this for my son. I already have an electric toothbrush, but I thought this one looked really interesting. It comes with 1 handle, 2 replacement heads, 2 AA batteries, and 1 user manual. I think my son will really like that it's black and sleek, and it comes with everything he needs. So that's cool. This next product is something else I customized for my box. This is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. This is a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in for your hair. I'm very familiar with Alterna Caviar products. They are known for being extremely good. It's a high-end hair care brand. Has a nice consistency. It's not super thick. I like the squeeze tube. It smells nice. It smells really nice. And this is a multi-benefit treatment. It moisturizes, it gives shine, smoothness, softness, it offers UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and light hold. I was not able to wash my hair today, unfortunately, full disclosure, because our hot water heater went out in our house. But I will tell you that as soon as our hot water heater gets fixed and I'm able to wash my hair again, I will be using this before I blow dry. Okay, up next, what is this? This is a lunch pack. Oh, this is super cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So there's directions on the back here. What does it say? Roll to the back and then put strap over the front. Wait, what? Maybe I have to have something in here first. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, I can figure this out. This is adorable. Now I wish I had a job outside of my home where I needed to pack a lunch. Speaking of high-end brands like Alterna, I also received something from Korres or Korres. I definitely have heard of this brand before. This is their Renewing Body Cleanser and it retails for $19. Super excited about this because, as I said earlier, I don't really take baths, so this is going to go in my gift pile, but this is a body cleanser for the shower. And the claims are that it is a luxurious foaming shower gel that helps maintain the skin's natural moisture levels, locking hydration and supporting visually youthful, supple body skin. Well, I want youthful and supple body skin, so let's open this up. So now let's give it a whiff. It's interesting. I don't dislike the scent of this, but it's not like my reaction to this or this. It's not bad. It's just kind of plain. There's really not much scent to it, which I know some people don't care about. Some people actually prefer that there's no fragrance in their body product because oftentimes once you get out of the shower, you want to wear maybe a scented body lotion or a perfume, and you don't want anything clashing. So yeah, I mean, this might not be a bad thing that it doesn't smell like much. The most important thing is that it hydrates my skin and leaves it more youthful and supple. And the reviews on it, I was just checking the reviews online, and they're really, really good. People seem to love this body cleanser. And then lastly, I received this Arhaus Moroccan Spice Candle. Let's see what this smells like. I love a good candle, especially in the fall. I can smell it already. So good, so good. Clearly, I like spice. I like pumpkin, I like spice, I like pumpkin spice, and clearly pumpkin and ginger. Although I will say that I do not really like pumpkin spice Starbucks coffee or any pumpkin spice coffee. That wasn't really important for me to tell you, but I just thought I'd throw it out there. Let's get back to the candle, shall we? Ooh, that's pretty. That is a very, very nice looking candle. Okay, right here, the box is worth it to me because this candle smells amazing. Yes, I do have to see how well it sort of scents up the room because that's really important to me. When I get a candle, I want it to really fill the room with the fragrance or the scent. And if it doesn't, that's kind of a letdown. So we'll see how this goes, but ooh, it makes me want fall weather. Although I'm one of those people that prefers warm weather, hence why I live in Las Vegas. I grew up in Michigan, and I just personally prefer the warmth over the cold. I hate being cold. And anyway, as I said earlier, it won't get cold here until like late October, early November, but I will likely use this candle well before then. All right, I think this was a very good box. I am very, very happy with everything. I am definitely going to be using everything with the exception of one product I already mentioned earlier, and then the toothbrush that I'm giving to my son to try. And if you want to join FabFitFun, but you just want to start off with a seasonal box, you can get your first box for only $39.99 using my promo code. So I'm loving that, and I hope that you loved, or at least liked, watching this video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the Risa Does Makeup family. I do try to upload new content at least twice per week. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok under the same username, Risa Does Makeup. I say TikTok like that because I don't post on there a lot. I'm just sort of taking baby steps onto that platform. Anyway, that'll do it for this one. I look forward to seeing you all again in my next video.